Hello, the house again. I know EA mini update using the biochar. Oh, there's a bug in there. That I made actually when we're burning the log fire at night, the Mackie stove. We actually do the biochar. Oh, in fact, I've got some we did last night. There's some fresh biochar. I even put a leaf in. Look at that. That's even biochar. It's still kept its structure, but it's now just charcoal, so we can add that to that. Something I do every time I have a fire. So we're cooking. Coals are really burning well. They are taking up the heat and burning through quickly. Hardly needed any kindling to start it. So we're going to have a omelette with coriander with ham and cheese. So it's great to keep using the things that it gave us heat in the fire, but it's also giving us charcoal as well. And if I keep doing this, I should have enough charcoal for all my cooking and do more outdoor cooking. Just under the eaves here were some spots of rain, so just keeping out of the rain just in case it does come down. But as I say, I need volunteers to help dig out the foundations and build a wall. The house out!